नमस्कार। 75तम स्वाधीनता दिवस मोर समस्त ओडावासी मानक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा एवं शुभकामना। आमମାନଙ୍କର स्वाधीनता ପାଇଁ ନିଜର ପ୍ରାଣ ଉତ୍ସର୍ଗ କରିଥିବା ସେହି ସମସ୍ତ ମହାନ ଆତ୍ମା ଏବଂ ବୀର ପୁରୁଷମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଅନ୍ତରରୁ ପ୍ରଣାମ। ଆଜି କେବଳ ସେହିମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା ଏବଂ ବଳିଦାନ ପାଇଁ ଆମେମାନେ ଏକ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଦେଶର ନାଗରିକ ହୋଇପାରିଛେ। No caste can separate us, no laws can divide us, no colors or creeds can decide our future because we are children of one mother, and that's our nation. Let's be freedom in our mind, soul, and body, faith in words, and pride in our nature. Let's today promise to our destiny that we should make our country proud of us someday. A happy 75th Independence Day to all we the Indians. वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, वो मौत ही क्या जो तिरंगे में ना लिपटी हो। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद, जय भारत. Again, heartfelt regards to all of us, to all our Indians. Let's make our country again the golden bird. Stay safe, stay home, stay quarantined. Once again, a happy Independence Day to all of us. And it's my first on-screen video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment your opinion on the comment box openly. Thank you all.